Home remedies for genital warts. If you are noticing growths on your genital skin or around the anus, you may have genital warts. Genital warts, a very common sexually transmitted disease, are caused by the human papilloma virus. This virus mostly spreads through the sexual intercourse. Both men and women can suffer from genital warts. They are flesh-colored, soft bump on the skin and mucous membrane of the genitals. The warts can appear on the penis, vulva, urethra, vagina, cervix, and around and in the anus. Itching or discomfort in the genital area and bleeding with the intercourse are the most common symptoms of genital warts. First, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular and highly effective home remedy for genital warts. The acetic acid in the apple cider vinegar is corrosive in nature. When it comes in contact with affected skin, it helps wear down the abnormal growth of the skin tissue. Plus, its antiviral properties help kill the virus that causes the genital warts. Apply petroleum jelly on the skin surrounding the genital warts too to protect the unaffected skin. Moisten a cotton ball with the apple cider vinegar and apply it to the affected area. Use an adhesive tape to hold the cotton ball and place it for 2 or 3 hours. Remove the cotton ball and wash the area with warm water. After half an hour, repeat the process again. Second, garlic. Garlic is known for its antiviral properties. Hence, it can easily take care of the virus that causes genital warts. Crush a few garlic cloves into a fine paste. Apply the paste to affected skin, cover the area with bandage and leave it on for 1 to 2 hours. Remove the bandage and wash the area with lukewarm water. Repeat 2 or 3 times daily until you get rid of genital warts. Third, aloe vera. Due to its natural healing properties, aloe vera is very often used in treatment of genital warts. Plus, this herb is rich with antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Aloe vera can also soothe the skin and relieve itching. Cut open an aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Dip a cotton ball in gel and apply it directly on affected area. Secure the cotton ball with tape and leave it on overnight. The next morning, remove the cotton ball and wash the gel off with warm water. Repeat once daily for 1 month or until your warts are gone. Fourth, castor oil. The odorless and tasteless castor oil is used to treat many skin problems, including the genital warts. The ricinoleic acid present in the castor oil has anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties that help treat genital warts. Soak a cotton ball in cold-pressed pure castor oil. Put the cotton ball over the wart and secure it with tape. Leave it overnight. The next morning, remove the cotton ball and clean the area with warm water. Gently exfoliate the area with a washcloth or a loofah sponge to remove the dead skin cells. Repeat this remedy daily until the wart becomes dark and eventually falls off. Fifth, treaty oil. Treaty oil is another effective home remedy for genital warts. It is very beneficial due to its antiviral and antiseptic qualities. Repeat either of the following remedies 2 or 3 times a day until the warts disappears. Mix together 4 or 5 drops of tea tree oil with 1 tablespoon of almond or olive oil. Dab the oil mixture on the genital warts and leave it on for 1 to 2 hours. Then rinse it off with warm water. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to warm bath water. Soak in this bath for about 15 to 20 minutes.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.